So welcome back to part 3 of Gilly's R25 Nissan Skyline build. So today we're going to be putting head on the block. Just to recap, if you want to go and watch part 2, you'll see that we put the Wiseco pistons in and then basically got the block ready for putting the head on. But yeah, thank you everybody that's watched and liked and also subscribed to the videos. Like I say, we're just trying to get Gilly on the way, and pretty much still looking for a K20 engine as it happens. Went to buy one today and the guy had sold it. I don't know if it's me not being quick enough, but yeah, struggling with getting an engine at the moment. Yeah, right, so just to recap, what we've done is we've torqued down the bottom end bolts and also torqued down the conrod bolts as well, but just bear in mind that these aren't stock, they're ARP bolts, so they are measured slightly different, so you'll have to check your settings for those. But they're all done, all looking nice and shiny. So we're going to flip her over and put the head on. So what we've done now is we've just span the motor around, and we've got the pistons at top dead centre, so we're going to measure the deck clearance. James is going to do it now. Over to you, James. Hi, Gilly.
Hi, right. He's feeling himself, yeah? No.
Yeah, just hold that there. Just give us a rough idea on it.
What are you feeling up now, James?
Got clearance. That's carbon in it.
And James has had this roller since he was 10 years old.
I say it's just under 0.8.
Yeah, so the reason why we're checking the top deck clearance is because the actual block's been skimmed. So just to make sure that we've got enough clearance when we put the new head gasket on. So that's why we're doing that, making sure we're doing it all properly. Right, so before the head can go on, just need to make sure that all the head bolts, the ARP head bolts, are all put in. There's one missing, which we're going to find and put in now. But these are literally put in finger tight, lubed at the bottom, and then we'll just put a bit of lube on the top as well to make sure that we can torque them down correctly. Last one going in, Marion. Also, they've got like a little Allen's key. So, ooh, 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 ooh. Happy, all tight-ish, finger tight.
Hey, the tighten up once the head goes on with the bolt. Nuts.
Oh, here we go again. Unwrapping his Christmas present. So this is Ed Hardy. Let the Ed see the block. Oh, here's James now, bringing the head gasket.
Yep.
It's getting real now, Gil.
All getting real. Huh?
Now we need to build, well, put the rest of the bottom end on, don't we? Sump, oil pump.
Handbell. Covers. Flywheel.
What about putting a timing chain on it, Gil? Why don't you upgrade?
Oh, yeah. What, put one of them
Put
Honda ones on? Like?
Yeah, put a Honda one on. Honda Bond. Head gasket.
Gasket.
So she's all clean. We're ready for a head gasket. Here's Gil. And Gil is really excited because you got some stickers with it, didn't you, Gil?
Yeah, I'm well excited. I love it when you get stickers though.
Everybody loves stickers.
Boom.
We lined up alright.
Looking good, I think.
Looking good.
Make sure I all
Sweet.
on. Right.
Fucking.
Here's a lovely shiny head. are ready to go on. Just going to give it a quick clean, make sure that it's all nice and ready to go on. Excited, Gil?
Yeah, it will be when it's running, right?
Mint. Who reckons that we should turbo this John Deere lawnmower? I think we should do something with this.
Give in to Yara. Oh, yeah. Just went to Yara to get one of them. Bit late, huh? Must be 24 hours ago.
Gil is getting head. Right, here we go. The head's going on the block. Let the head see the block. So James and Gilly's already built the head, as you can see. Valves have been lapped, and before we set this head on, James has just set the cams at top dead centre. And voila, that is silky smooth.
Nicely
Cool.
done, that.
Nicely done. So that's where the head studs are. Just need to get the nuts down and the washers
And torque 'em up.
and torque them up. Sick.
Bring one up tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Just put them in for now, innit?
Just putting in the washers now.
Bit fiddly.
Too short. Precision. Right guys, that is a wrap. Unfortunately, I actually forgot to, well I didn't forget, I deleted it by mistake when we torqued down the head bolts. So it's been done, but we've just wrapped it up now. James, Gilly, we're all heading home. It's late, it's about 9:30, and believe me, this has taken about 1.5 hours just to do what we've been doing, just to make sure it's all right. But thanks again guys for watching. Peace out.